Bitch want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on.
I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? G-Wagon, all the
Ice kitty validate me. You never check, I don't wanna receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why how the time change? I'm still playing the victim, and you still playing to pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me you never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nut in room. Third day, pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. Cause my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? You still talking about babies, and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving till the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. No, she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my head, you send an action. These days, no quick my age. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, second chances. Fuck. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I D.I.E.
money, my body, now your own.
It's OVO.
I love you. My money, my body, now your own. Oh, baby. 30 billion for the account, oh. Versace and Gucci for your body, oh, baby.
I've been wondering all day, tried to be fine, but I can't be. What a break. Try to get by, but I'm burning.
Alright, so I would say the hair is about 80% dry. This is what it looks like. I wanted to define the curls just to make it kind of like flow a little bit better. So I think I'm gonna keep the headband on for a little bit longer. I just feel like it's pretty necessary as of right now. Follow my Instagram. I am Shy Harris. Follow my TikTok. Follow my TikTok, Queen Athlete Shy. Follow my LTK. I am Shy Harris. You will see the shorts as well as the bra. I will show you the bra, but it's pretty like revealing. Like there's no padding or anything of that nature. Oh, my Snapchat is Shy the Dancer, ShyTheDancer. I post on there more than I post on like TikTok, more than I post on like LTK, more than I post on Instagram. This is the overall final look, of course, minus the bands. Who told me to try? I don't know who told me to try a 360 lace wig, y'all. I thought would work for the front, would work for the back. It did not. And then my head is a lot smaller than the wig cap. So, yeah, y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Okay. However, everything else, we about to, yeah. We about to get there. We about to get there for sure. It's probably about to be my hair for the weekend. It depends on. Damn, I got another wig video. I'll let y'all know. Follow my Instagram, my Snapchat. Y'all see a little bit more behind the scenes. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. It's still giving movement. I like how like the swivel, it's giving layers, so it kind of like frames my face a little bit. Again, y'all, this is the 22-inch deep wave 360 lace wig. I was on YouTube University trying to see how to lay it down, and a lot of the videos I came across, they had 2-man team. We like her, but should we name her? And let me know if y'all want me to put up some of these wigs for sale. The most I've done was like cut the layers. This one here, I plucked a little bit of it, not too much, and I did pluck it a little bit, but I'm pretty sure after a while I'm gonna want to know. Yeah, Big Cartel is probably the best one. Y'all can always go on my LTK. My name on there is I am Shy Harris. The link to this wig as well as the rest of the outfit that I'm wearing, with the exception of probably this, because this is from her tour. Yeah, we'll see that. Yeah, we'll see it.
Just anybody, I make a love